This cat is called Categorize new member, and they've called for our help. Well, for what? Well, to create a function that will serve as an application form, and it should tell prospective members in which category they will be placed. To be a senior, a member must be at least 55 years old and have a handicap greater than 7. The input will consist of a list of pairs. Each pair contains information for a single potential member. What do we get? The age and the person's handicap. And what will the output be? A list of string values stating whether the respective member is to be placed in the senior or open category. How to go about this? So here we have the list. Let's have a look how we can access the data. So for prospective member in data, print prospective member. So we have an age and the handicap. How do we access that? Age and handicap. Well, we have to use indexing for that. So we have the prospective member, and the index of 0 is the actual age. We can use square brackets and a 0. And the handicap is the first index. Yeah. And those are the conditions that we have to use. So if the age is equal or more than 55, which you can read here, and the handicap must be greater than 7, then we have to, oh, well, let's create a new list. Categorization. Because we have to append the values to this list. Is an empty list. And that will be seniors. Else we can append, or we actually have to append strings. It is either senior or open. So in this case, we should append open, and in all the other cases, we should append senior. That should do the trick. Let's return the list. Looks like it's working. Open senior, open senior. Yeah, that matches. Let's have a look at this one. Open, open, senior, open. Yeah, well, looks like it's working. So let's have a look. There we go, plain and simple. Hope this has been useful. If it has been, please consider dropping a like. And hope to see you in another video. Ciao.